Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the activity of the corticosteroids. So here in corticosteroids, the highest mineralocorticoid activity is seen in aldosterone. The highest mineralocorticoid activity, it is seen in case of the aldosterone. The highest mineralocorticoid activity in a drug is clinically used with the fludrocortisone. So here the aldosterone, it cannot be used clinically. The least mineralocorticoid activity, it is seen in the methylprednisolone. So what is the specialty of methylprednisolone? It is the least mineralocorticoid activity. The highest glucocorticoid activity is seen in dexamethasone. So it is a dexamethasone. So dexamethasone, it has the highest glucocorticoid activity and also the betamethasone. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.